Start by marking your dart points on the wrong side of your bodice. Fold the dart in half, matching your dart notches, and pin in place as needed. Starting at the notches, we're going to be sewing a straight line tapering to the dart point. If you like, you can draw a guideline using a water-soluble fabric pencil. Backstitch at the notches and continue sewing following the guideline or in a straight line towards the dart point. Continue to sew past the dart point, running off the stitches for about an inch. Trim the threads at 1/2 inch from the dart point. Repeat this process on all 4 darts, the 2 on the bodice and the 2 on the bodice facing. Press the bulk of the dart down towards the waist seam. You want to press right up to the dart point to avoid having a dart dimple, but try not to press past the dart point because if you do, you'll lose some of the shaping that the dart will provide.